What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing a daily update on SafeMoon coin. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull, valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. And as usual, let's start with the definition of SafeMoon protocol. The SafeMoon protocol is a community-driven, fair-launched DeFi token. 3 simple functions occur during each trade: reflection, LP acquisition and burn. So let's continue with their official Twitter page as usual, and for now they have 570.5 thousand followers, and since I made my previous video they acquired around 20,000 followers. It is mind-blowing number, I have to say. So let's start one by one with their latest tweets. 11 hours ago they tweeted this: "Don't put your eggs in one basket, keep them in a safe." And you can see this just a funny picture about SafeMoon. Next is about their merch. They have official shop, shop.safemoon.net, and there you can buy hoodies, face masks and joggers. Next one is right here. It is a retweet of John Carney, and in my opinion it is a real bombshell. I think John Carney watched my previous video where I strongly recommend to add their fundamentals and to add more information to their community. And let me quote you this tweet. "Okay, looked at the roadmap and we are now way ahead of schedule again. We'll be updating it shortly. Many thanks to the community and my fellow teammates. You all rock. More to follow." And in my opinion, if they will update their roadmap with information from the fundamental standpoint about their partnerships, about their collaborations and other this kind of stuff, I think it might be a very good catalyst for the price. And that's why I think we have to wait until this announcement. By the way, in my opinion, we will see this announcement on their closest AMA session, and it will take place on Sunday, May the 9th, 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and I think it will be very good AMA session. It is just my opinion. So let's continue with the Twitter again. 7 hours ago they tweeted this: "The last 48 hours has been incredible to see how many new holders joined SafeMoon. We are dedicated as a team to the project, and most of all, we are dedicated to you. Thank you for your time, trust and patience. Team SafeMoon." And again, tweeted pin how to acquire SafeMoon coin. So let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So I made my previous video at this point yesterday, and my assumption was that we might have a small leg to the upside to this previous resistance, and we've almost hit it according to this data. And then we might have a retracement in order to have more power to go to the upside. And for now, as you can see, we're hovering between these two ranges, between this previous support and this resistance. But on other sources, we have slightly different prices. On Bodger Finance, we have price of 78.17, and right here we have price of 86.86. But for example, on Bitmart, we have price of 97. This means we have a rather huge difference between different sources. And as you can see, from this top to this top, we didn't pass the halfway to the upside. And of course, these discrepancies between different platforms are not so good. But let's continue with the technical analysis. So, what to expect next? I still think that we have to hold this line, this support, and we have to break this upper resistance. And as you can see, since I made my previous video, we have slightly bigger volume compared to previous 2 days. This means we might gain some momentum to break this resistance. On top of that, let me show you that on a 4-hour time frame on RSI, we are at the border of neutral zone. It is right here, and overbought region. This means we might have more leg to the upside to establish new all-time highs. In this case, when we will break this resistance, we will officially on an uptrend on the most biggest scale that we have for now, because we will have consistently higher highs and higher lows on our chart, and this will be a major bull sign for this asset. On top of that, let me switch to 1 hour time frame. As you can see right here, we hovering at the neutral zone, slightly closer to upper border. This means we are still bullish and we have a room to have a huge leg to the upside according to RSI chart, and this is also might be a very good bullish sign. So let's switch to 12-hour time frame, and right here we are still bullish, but we have a lot of room to grow to the upside. As you can see, we have these peaks. Each next peak is higher than the previous one, and this means we might continue this pattern, and in this case we have mind-blowing room to grow, and we might hit mind-blowing numbers with the price of this asset. And let me show you the targets. To define the targets, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the structure to the top, because 5 waves on a smaller scale implies only 1 wave on a bigger scale. This means we finished only the first wave, and this means we have to land the end of our third wave. So for now our targets are right here. At 1.618 extension level, it is the most conservative target. Next target at 2.618 level, and it is right here. Third target at 3.618 extension level, and the most aggressive target at 4.236 level. It is still possible. It is the least probable, but still possible. And let me make the projection from our accumulation point right here. As you can see, these two levels are still our accumulation point for the long term, and this means we can have this price in the middle of these two levels as our entry point, as our potential entry point. And in this case, the most aggressive target might be at around 900% of potential profits. And it is mind-blowing numbers. So, what to expect next from the price action? In my opinion, we still have an opportunity to have a slight pullback. This means on each red candle you might enter your position. But before you enter your position, you have to remember my 3 simple rules. First of all, do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. It is the most important rule. Second one, do not go all in. This means you almost always can ladder your buys down and have a more attractive average price. And third one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And basically it is obvious. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!